I went into testing the LG 48-inch class OLED Evo AI Super Upscaling 4K C5 Series Smart TV with Dolby Atmos and Vision HDR10, Filmmaker Mode, Wow Orchestra, Alexa built-in. Here's what 2 weeks of daily use revealed. Honestly, I was a bit miffed with the packaging. They had to cut some corner to fit all that fancy electronics into a box. However, you can't deny the TV itself is a powerhouse, and its AI super upscaling capabilities are genuinely impressive. I mean, when it comes to watching sports or late-night favorites, this thing's gonna give you picture quality that'll leave you speechless. Let's dive into what makes this LG OLED Evo truly shine. Dolby Vision for stunning color, contrast, and brightness. Having tested it in various lighting conditions, I can attest it really does make a difference. Then there's the audio with Dolby Atmos cubed. It's incredible how immersive that sounds. And when you factor in the filmmaker mode, allowing you to see your favorite movies just as they were intended by the director, it's like sitting right in front of the big screen. On gaming, this TV absolutely excels. The 0.1 milliseconds response time is crucial for fast-paced games, and the refresh rate ensures none of that blurring occurs while playing. The NVIDIA G-Sync technology keeps everything smooth and seamless too. With Game Optimizer and Game Dashboard at your fingertips, you're in total control of how you game. The AI Search and Concierge feature, where you can set up personalized picture and audio settings using AI, this is really convenient for those who enjoy tinkering with their viewing experience on the fly. It works quite well as promised. In my experience, all things considered, the LG OLED Evo series might not be perfect, but it's genuinely a solid choice if gaming or movie nights are your top priority. Having tested it, I can say this is one TV that will meet those needs, more than you'd expect from almost any other smart TV on the market. If you appreciate reviews that don't skip the downsides, subscribe. See you next week.